100 days and 75 years. 100 days of the highest rate of civilians slaughtered in the 21st century. Israel killing more than 10,000 children in what UNICEF has called a graveyard of children. 100 days of dropping 2,000-pound bombs hundreds of times on the very spaces families were crammed to seek shelter, murdering them in an ever-shrinking killing cage in sheer cruelty and deliberate destruction of life. 100 days of burning children's flesh down to the bone with illegal white phosphorus, of destroying 400,000 homes to rubble, of bombing 320 schools so children in Gaza have no access to an education, ensuring lost generation.